Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing channel. I got this box delivered for Christmas and I haven't gotten around to opening it yet. Let's find out what it is.
Happy holidays from BMW Ridgefield.
Oh my god, how long have you been in there?
Oh look, it's spring.
Do you need anything?
Oh no, I'm fine, thank you. I've been eating these biodegradable packing peanuts.
Oh, yeah, they're basically like popcorn.
Welcome to your new car. Every BMW from Ridgefield comes with Genius assistance.
Oh, God!
Hey John, how you doing?
Oh, the blessed sun. What month is it?
June.
So, what's new with this vehicle?
Well, the X7 comes with standard acoustic glass windows.
Which means a quiet ride.
And why you couldn't hear us screaming for help.
We were fine.
Oh, sure. You had a Wi-Fi hotspot and ventilating massaging seats.
I know, it was the best 6 months of my life. I feel so aligned.
We were in there for 6 months.
So, the manual for this thing must be pretty intense, huh?
Oh, it is. But that's why I'm here. Shall we?
What's this button do?
That is the self-driving backup assistant. It remembers how you parked and goes back in the same direction.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
So I loved everything about this experience. The Genius was amazing. But my favorite color is red, so the dealership was nice enough to exchange it for me. Thanks, BMW Ridgefield.
Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority.
Come on!
Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Bye!
Hello? Hello?